Hello everyone, I will try to help you for Bitcoin's technical analysis on 4-hour and 1-hour charts. Let's start with 4-hour chart. As we can see here, Bitcoin raised yesterday from here to 53.33 resistance line, almost there. And now the correction move has started, and probably the price will test the trend line as a support level again. Actually, it's better for us because we can say that the movement is really healthy, because this fat candle confirms that there is still huge buy pressure for Bitcoin, and after the crossing this trend line upwards, the price retested this trend line as a support level and continue with upwards move to the 53.33 resistance line, and the correction move has started. If the price will touch to this trend line again, we can test the buy pressure for further move of Bitcoin to upwards. We can see buy pressure is strong enough or not for upwards move. If the price will cross this trend line downwards to the 51.69 support level, we shouldn't expect that below this support line for Bitcoin's price, because as you can see, Bitcoin this support line worked very well for a long time for Bitcoin. Here and here is very clear line, both support line and resistance line, and now it works as support line for Bitcoin, and we can say the price doesn't want to go below $5,000. It's rejected this area actually, and there is another possibility about a double bottom here. We saw really strong downwards move here, and the sellers sell pressure tried two times to downwards move, but the price rejected and buy pressure won again, and price is rising very healthy way, and probably after the touching the trend line, the price want to test this main resistance line, this blue line again, because it's really strong line, strong resistance line. And if the double bottom works clearly, we will test this resistance line again, 54.79, as you can see. And if we test this resistance line, we will test this main blue line, main resistance line again, we can say. But for now, we are seeing that the price is squeezing between this resistance line and this trend line. So we will watch this trend line as support line. As long as Bitcoin stay over this trend line, it means that the price is ready to make new moves, and buy pressure is still high. So the current level is really positive for Bitcoin. We proceed with 1-hour chart. I added extra lines here just for 1-hour chart, which is 52.68 and 52.21, and also there is another resistance line 53.88 just for 1-hour chart, which means they are short-term levels, not strong levels for long term. And so that I said we can expect that the price will touch to the trend line again to gain power for upwards. But we can see here there is 52.68 support line here, and the price is testing this support line for 1 hour chart, and we can see that there is a nice candle, not strong but not weak too, and we can expect that if this support line will work clearly, the price won't touch this trend line again and keep moving upwards to the 53.33 resistance line, and probably it will cross this resistance line to test the main resistance line. So as I already told before, for our chart, Bitcoin's move is really positively for upwards move, and we can expect testing this main line, the blue line, again with the double bottoms expectations. But as I already told, we can see sell pressure here, and still there is a possibility for touching this trend line again. It's actually a bit more healthy for next move for Bitcoin. But now we see the price within this channel. Maybe it can go flat. If it's going flat, we will see, we will watch this trend line again, because this is our main support line for short term. As long as Bitcoin stay over this trend line, it will rise probably, I can say. But now closest support line is 52.68, and closest resistance line is 53.33. These candles gives an idea for how strong this support line and how the price reaction to this support line. We can decide prices move for short term based on these levels. Thanks for watching us. This is it for today. If you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe us. See you tomorrow for the next video.